This here is a 6 inches telescope. The manufacturer of this telescope is Greika, and the focal length is about 1400 millimeters. We have here 6 inches of primary mirror, so that gives us a resolution of about 0.8 arcseconds. This means that even if you use a CCD camera at primary focus, we will start having problems to resolving small objects like the moons of Saturn. If Titan, the largest moon of Saturn, has about 0.7 arcseconds of apparent diameter. So you can see Saturn, you can see Jupiter, even Venus, but really you will begin to have trouble if you point into Mars, which has at this time of the year about 5 arcseconds in apparent diameter. This telescope comes originally without a motor drive, so it's kind of useless for astrophotography in the first instance, because as long as you buy a motor drive, this may be a good telescope for beginners in the field of photographing the night sky. This is a poor telescope when it comes to the location of the objects through the adjustments in the RA and declination, just because there is not enough resolution on the scales to find an object. If you want to find the planet Saturn, for example, you need to adjust the declination to -8 degrees, 14 minutes and 6 seconds. So it's about here. So you guys see the problem here, don't you? How do I find 8 degrees and 40 minutes here? How? I know that here is 8 degrees now, and here is 10, but where is the 40 minutes? So you see, I have here a whole degree of uncertainty, and 1 degree is about twice the size of the full moon. So if you want to find the moon, it's easy, just point the telescope at it, it's easy. But if you want to find an object that you can see, that you can only see with the telescope, the Eagle Nebula, for example, you will not be able to find it by using only your eye at the telescope. You will need a location, and even if you make a perfect alignment, you will not be able to find an object easily using scales of this size. Then this is a negative point to this telescope. Maybe that's the biggest problem with small telescopes. This is not a problem confined to this manufacturer. All small Newtonian telescopes have the problem of the small scales. Here are some pictures of the moon that were obtained through a webcam and this telescope in the last year. My name is Ted. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below.